Hello fellow crafters! Grab your earmuffs because we're going to create a magical miniature winter wonderland that your dolls are gonna love. Be sure to subscribe, like our video, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our newest crafts. Alright cozy crafters, let's get started. Let's start with Barbie's white Christmas outfit. Fold a piece of furry fabric in half and measure to Barbie's body. Cut to fit, and hot glue the seams of her coat together. Parent supervision is a total must for this part. Mark the spot for her neck and carefully cut it out. Then turn the coat right side out. Make the collar by cutting out this shape and gluing it together. Turn it right side out and fold in half. Glue the collar to the neck of the coat, applying the glue to half the collar at a time. Next, cut a small section from a cardboard toilet paper roll and measure to Barbie's head. Glue the fur fabric to the cardboard. Then, push the extra fabric down into the hat and glue to keep in place. Looking good so far! Now, wrap a gold chain around her waist and secure it with a piece of gold wire. Embellish the hat with a string of jewels. Doesn't she look fabulous? Let's make some snowdrifts. You'll need water, a spoonful of sugar, and some white glue. Next, grab a bunch of white string and soak it in the bowl. Hold the end of the string outside the mixture. Add a bunch of silver string as well. And add some red string too. After it soaks, wrap the string around a blown-up balloon. In a well-ventilated area, have your folks spray paint the balloon. After it dries, carefully cut the balloon and pull it out of the string ball. Cut the string to make the bottom flat, like this. Do the same with the silver balloon. You can also push the string up inside the ball to make it stand up. And finally, do the same with the white balloon. Now let's make a nutcracker. Cut a piece of plant foam into this hexagon shape. Measure the foam to a popsicle stick and cut out. Then cut a bunch of popsicle sticks in half. Glue the popsicle sticks to each side of the hexagon foam piece. Glue these trimmed popsicle sticks to each side of the smaller piece of foam. Then glue a wooden bead to the end. Glue and wrap a red ribbon around it. Then wrap some decorative string around the other side. Make another one, and this time, wrap some black string around the end. On the big piece, wrap a large red ribbon around and glue it down. Neatly fold the ribbon and glue it to the end. Then glue a big wooden bead to the top. This gold ribbon looks nice here. Next, glue 2 strips of felt fabric together. And then glue black ribbon to the bottom. Glue the ends together. Then glue a red circle to the top. Add a white pearl in the center and embellish with a gold chain. Glue the legs you made earlier into place. Then glue the arms on. Glue on some black beads as coat buttons, and glue on some furry fabric to the head as hair. Glue on a little nose and draw his mouth on with a black marker. Don't forget the mustache, and how about some eyes too? Here's your hat, little guy. Let's make a fancy balloon. Wrap a red ribbon around a styrofoam ball and tack it in place. Wrap another ribbon perpendicular to the first one. Tack it onto the foam. Then wrap 2 thinner ribbons in between. To make the basket for the balloon, grab an old ring box. Glue some sparkly ribbon around it and add this fun little rope detail. Then glue a ribbon to each corner of the basket and tack the other ends to the balloon. Wrap this rope ribbon around the center of the balloon. So pretty! Silver trees will be a nice addition to our winter wonderland, don't you think? Put some glue onto the back of a piece of glitter foam sheet and wrap it in an angle. Glue the sparkly ribbon to the inside bottom and wrap it around the tree. Perfect! Now, glue a white pom-pom to the top and along the sides. Angel time! Cut 3 popsicle sticks so one is just slightly bigger than the other. Glue them together with smaller stick. Paint with white acrylic paint. Draw an angel face on a wooden bead and glue a smaller bead on top as a bun. Wrap a glitter twisty around the bun. Wrap a piece of sparkly ribbon around the body and glue. Then glue some furry fabric around the top. Tie a string of tulle around. And glue on a couple of feathers as the wings. Add some feet. Glue on the head and add a cute little bow in the front. Beautiful! Did you know you can make a snowman out of a light bulb? Check it out! Just paint with white acrylic paint and dip it in a bowl of silver glitter. Glue a piece of gray felt on the metal parts as a hat. Then glue on the nose. Draw on some eyes with a black marker and glue a ribbon around as a scarf. And add a piece to the hat. Hey there, Frosty! To make trees, glue some cardboard contact paper around a straw. Push a few artificial tree branches into the straw and fan them out. Glue a piece of white string to the bottom and wrap it around the straw to make the trunk. Bend the branches and adjust the string to make them look like real birch trees. Swans are the perfect touch for our winter wonderland. Draw a swan neck onto a piece of white foam board and carefully cut out with an X-Acto knife. Glue on an orange beak and add the detail with black marker. Then cut a slit into a styrofoam egg and poke some white feathers into the egg. Isn't he cute? Grab a styrofoam cone and wrap a strand of garland lights around it. Tack the lights into place with your gold thumbtacks. Then glue on some pine leaves. Finally, spray paint the entire tree white. Stencil a reindeer into a piece of white foam board. Cut it out, leaving 2 slits in the bottom for the legs. Draw 2 sets of legs on a separate piece of foam board. Cut them out and attach them into the stilts of the body. Glue on a white pom-pom as the tail, and a little gold bell in the front. Finish with an eye on each side. Jingle, jingle! Cut out your favorite backdrop and set it up. Add your Christmas tree, trimming it with decorations and pine cones. Then add your snow mounds around the Christmas tree. Use the mounds as stands for your birch tree. And don't forget your silver tree. Glitter foam sheet makes a gorgeous lake for your swan. Here's a good place for Frosty the snowman and the nutcracker. Hang the balloon and the angel. Add your reindeer and you've got a magical miniature wonderland for Barbie to explore. Isn't it beautiful? We hope all your holiday dreams come true. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.